Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA Game Filters not working in Arc Raiders. Normally, you can enable the NVIDIA overlay and game filters directly from the NVIDIA app, but in Arc Raiders, the developers have blocked NVIDIA Game Filters, so they currently do not work in this game. Because of that, we can't use NVIDIA Freestyle filters the normal way right now. Instead of using game filters, we're going to adjust the visuals through the NVIDIA control panel. First, right-click on your desktop and select Show More Options. Now click on NVIDIA Control Panel. Inside the control panel, go to the Video section and click on Adjust Video Color Settings. Make sure you use the NVIDIA settings as selected. From here, you can manually adjust things like brightness, contrast, and color levels to your preference. Once you're done, click Apply to save the changes. This is currently the only workaround since NVIDIA Game Filters are blocked in Arc Raiders. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.